everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I have something that is a little late and I'm very sorry about that, but I was out of town and just all sorts of things were happening. But I do have my Sephora play and my IPSY from August. I know it's September. I can't even find my September IPSY bag, but that's my life. It's a mess. So we're gonna go ahead and compare these. Last month I compared IPSY to Birchbox. Actually, it was July. I compared IPSY to Birchbox and IPSY definitely won out. So now we are going to try it out against the Sephora Play. We're going to start with IPSY. Sometimes they are full size and sometimes they're not. Usually they're like a deluxe sample. So here is the bag. It's a very cute little tangerine colored bag. And inside we have a card, selfie with no filter. I don't like doing those kinds of selfies, but you know, it's cool. First thing we have is Purely's Watermelon Energizing Aqua Balm. I have used Purely's before and I've always really liked it. Watermelon Energizing Aqua Balm. I do like watermelon. So let's see how it feels. Feels very good. It definitely feels like those watery type emulsifying lotions. It smells like watermelon candy. It totally smells like watermelon candy. So this is nice. I will definitely use this and put this in my purse. So this is the Hey Honey Take Away the Drama Youth Boosting Honey and Copper Peel Off Mask. It's copper. I have not used Hey Honey before, I don't think. Oh wow, it is very, very, very coppery. It just smells like a mud mask almost. But look at that shiny copperiness. I can't wait to try that. I'm actually really excited about that. Next, we have the Mack False Lashes Extreme Black. I have used this before. In fact, I have some, and I do really like it. I think one of the things I didn't like about it was the wand. The wand is okay, but it's just a real basic wand. The formula itself is really nice, so I will definitely keep that and use that as well. Next, we have something from Pixi by Petra. And I always seem to get Pixi products in my bags here. I never seem to buy them on my own. I always just seem to kind of get them. IPSY has given Pixi by Petra many times before. This looks like it is a blush, Fresh Face blush in Beach Rose. So that is very, very pretty. I tend to get a lot of blushes. I was just going through all of my makeup and saw that there was a lot of blush, like these single blush things here. It's a very pretty soft, kind of a dusty rose color. So that is really nice. And it is full size. So that's always a good thing. And the last thing we have here is, oh, okay. It's a full size lip. It's lip fondant by Half Caked, which is very cool. I don't often get full size lip products. I always usually get those little tiny ones, like the Tarte ones. I've gotten those several times. Too Faced Melted, I've gotten those little ones a few times in here, but I hardly ever get a full-size lip. It is in the shade Girl Crush. It doesn't actually have a shade on the box itself, so it'll be a bit of a surprise. Oh, it is very, very, very tangerine-y color. It is definitely an orange-based red. Well, it's orange. That is very orange. I don't think I will be using this. I don't feel like this is my color. It smells a little sweet. It doesn't really smell like chemical or anything. It smells like frosting. It just smells like frosting. So although it seems to be a really nice consistency, it is definitely not my color. So I will not be using that. I already swatched it, so I don't know what to do with it right now. I would say overall, I really enjoyed everything in it, so that's good. Let's move on to Sephora Play and see what we've got in here. We've got the card that has the 50 Beauty Insider points. You bring that in, you get an extra 50 Beauty Insider points. It's really nice if you are on the cusp of moving up a points, like to VIB or I don't remember the other one. The pamphlet, it has all the information about what is in the box itself in there, but I'm not gonna look at it today. And then here is the bag. These bags are always really cute, but I never know what to do with them. And I feel like I am not the only one who feels that way. First thing we have is a Moroccan oil dry texture spray. And this is a dry shampoo for all hair types. I'll spray it on my hand. It smells kind of beachy, almost like a little bit salty, which is kind of nice. And it is a Moroccan oil, so it'll be really nice for your hair. So I do like that. I always like these dry sprays in my bags. Southern Belle Volume Boosting Shampoo and Conditioner. You guys know how I feel about these packs. I don't like them, but we will definitely give it a try. Now that my hair is shorter, it takes less shampoo and less conditioner. So I can use these. I can probably travel with them, but I don't know. I'm not a big fan of these, as you guys know. So that is a strike. Next we have, oh, this is actually a good size. And this is Collagen Deep Cream by Dr. Dennis Gross. It doesn't really smell like much of anything. It feels super nice though. Wow. And it is pretty full, so I'm happy with that. This is a really nice size. They don't trick you on the bottom. The bottom is nice and flat. So I do really like that. That is definitely a plus for Sephora Play. Makeup Forever Artist Rouge Cream. This is a lipstick, and this is in the shade C211. It's a little lipstick here. And oh, I expected it to be this color, and it is totally not that color. This is a very, very neutral shade. It's kind of a neutral pink. Oh, I do like that though. Let me put it, here we go. That is really, really pretty. This is definitely a color I can use a lot. I like these kind of neutral, nude, pinky tones. They're really pretty, and I really like them for my skin tone. And I always really like Makeup Forever as far as their lipsticks go. Actually, all of their stuff is really great. Next, we have Hula from Benefit. And this, oh, look how cute this is. It's in this little thing right here. This is something that I do have, so I'm not gonna swatch it, but it is a really great bronzer. I actually tend to use it for contouring. So I do really like this. Looks like it's a nice, decent size too. I kind of expected it to be in this and just kind of stuck in there. So it's nice that it is open like that. I do really like that. And yeah, so this is definitely a really great product. It's definitely one of their more popular products from Benefit. And then last we have Nars. Oh, it's Nars, nice. Smudge proof eyeshadow base. Very cool. I actually haven't used their eyeshadow base before. It looks like it is white. So yeah, it's definitely very, very, oh, you know, it kind of goes on kind of clear though. So it doesn't stay white, but it does have a little bit of that white kind of sheen to it, so that bright colors will probably be a little bit brighter for this. So I do really like that too. Gosh, it is a toss-up this month as far as the bags go. They're both $10, and I think the only drawback as far as the Sephora goes is these little bags I don't like, and they often do these foil packs, which I don't like. But otherwise, I'm pretty happy with everything that we got. So that is awesome. Let me know which one you preferred, and if you want to sign up for either of them, the links will be down below. And be sure to subscribe and hit that notifications button so that you know every time I upload something, even though it's a little bit late sometimes, and I'm very sorry about that. Thanks so much for watching. We will see you again soon. Bye.